This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious chocolate-covered strawberries with chocolate chips. First, choose about 1 pound of fresh, ripe strawberries, ensuring they are firm and vibrant. Gently wash them under cool water, then pat each one completely dry with a paper towel. This step is crucial for the chocolate to stick properly. Finally, prepare a baking sheet by lining it with parchment paper. This will make cleanup a breeze and prevent sticking. Now, let's melt our chocolate. You'll need about 12 ounces of your favorite chocolate chips. You can use a double boiler for a gentle melt or microwave them in a heat-safe bowl. If microwaving, heat in 30-second bursts, stirring well after each interval. Continue this process until the chocolate is completely smooth and glossy with no lumps remaining. This ensures a beautiful, even coating for your strawberries. With your chocolate perfectly melted, it's time to dip. Hold each strawberry by its green stem or by the top if the stem is removed. Carefully dip the strawberry into the warm, melted chocolate, rotating it gently to ensure an even and generous coating. Lift the strawberry, allowing any excess chocolate to drip back into the bowl for a few seconds. This prevents puddles and ensures a neat finish. Once dipped, carefully place each chocolate-covered strawberry onto your prepared parchment-lined baking sheet. For the chocolate to set properly, transfer the baking sheet to the refrigerator. Let them chill for at least 15 minutes or until the chocolate is firm to the touch. For an extra touch, you can drizzle them with white chocolate or add colorful sprinkles before they set. Enjoy your homemade treats.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.